Hello students, today we are going to solve another important question from the same chapter, that is ecology and its environment. It's an important question because it has been already asked in NEET 2018. So let's proceed towards it. In this question they are asking that the niche is which of the given one, and the options are the range of temperature that the organism needs to live, second one the physical shape where an organism lives, and third one all the biological factor in the organism's environment, and the last one the functional role played by organism where it lives. So before solving you have to understand the concept behind this, and the concept is importance of species diversity to the ecosystem. Firstly, I will tell you that there is a difference between niche and the habitat of an organism. So firstly, I want to make it clear that niche includes more than what an organism eats or where they live. So the ecological niche is composed of all the physical, chemical, biological and other environmental factors that the species needs to survive, reproduce and stay healthy, and also its relationship with other species surrounding them. So from this what you understand that each species occupies a particular niche in the community, that means in their ecosystem. So after understanding this you can see the correct option, and the correct option is the functional role played by an organism where it lives. This describes a niche very clearly. So to understand in a better way, you can also watch these videos. Go refer to this book. Directly go to the page number 263, line number 10 of NCERT 12th Biology. So to know more about this concept, stay tuned. Thank you.